National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tabernacle to Wharton State Forest, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Jackson, Presidential Lakes Estates, Lakehurst, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Allenwood, Six Flags Theme Park, Cedar Glen West, Leisure Town, Jackson's Mills, Chatsworth, Cassville, Vista Center, Wharton State Forest, Presidential Lakes, Woodruff, Ramtown, and Cedar Glen Lakes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 14 and 27. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 91 and 97. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, and Ocean. The following is a special weather